Meet Apis, a small, hard-working bee, full of energy and curiosity. Today, Apis invites you to discover some wonderful lessons from the secret world of bees. Simple but powerful ideas that can help anyone become more successful in life. Bees are not just honey makers. They are masters of focus, teamwork, and resilience. Let's follow Apis and learn together. First lesson from Apis: the power of focused hard work. Every day, a bee like Apis visits thousands of flowers to collect nectar. She never gets distracted. Her goal is clear. In the same way, when people choose one important task and give it their full attention every day, even if it's just for 20 minutes, amazing results start to appear, just like the honey slowly filling the hive. Second lesson: no bee succeeds alone. In the hive, the queen, the worker bees, and the drones all have different roles, but they work together perfectly. Real life works the same way. When people collaborate with friends, family, or colleagues, they can create much bigger things than any one person could alone. One bee makes very little honey, but together, the whole hive creates abundance. Third lesson from Apis: the art of staying flexible. Some days bring rain, strong winds, or almost no flowers, but Apis always finds a way. She searches until she discovers new possibilities. Life is no different. When challenges come, a failure, a sudden change, or a difficult moment, the smartest thing is to adapt, learn something new, and keep moving forward, exactly like Apis does. So here are Apis's 3 simple secrets for a sweeter life. Stay focused and hardworking, value teamwork, and never stop adapting. If these lessons touched you, please like the video, subscribe for more wisdom from the bee world, and share in the comments which lesson you want to try first. Until next time, happy flying!